Welcome to the SegriScreen MK3 Assembly Guide. In this video, we'll take you through the step-by-step process to assemble your screen quickly and efficiently. Before beginning, ensure you have all the components listed in your kit. A clean, flat surface of at least 3 by 3 meters is recommended for assembly. Start by laying out the horizontal top and bottom bars, as well as the vertical left and right bars. Ensure the male poppers are facing up and the hooks on the left bar are pointing downwards. Attach the top bar to the vertical bars, ensuring a tight fit and hole alignment. Using the M6 by 20mm bolts and anti-vibration washers, secure the vertical bars to the top bar. Repeat on both sides and tighten to 10 Nm. Ensure the washers are fitted correctly with the larger diameter against the frame. Fit the vertical left and right bars into the bottom bar, using the same bolt and washer method. Ensure all bolts are tightened securely. Attach the PVC screen panel. The SegriScreen MK3 uses a 2-part stainless steel snap fastening system. Press the screen panel's female fittings onto the male poppers on the frame until securely fastened. Next, carefully lift the assembled frame upright, insert the wheelbases on each side, ensuring the flat side faces outward. Use the bolt and washer to attach the wheelbase and tighten to 10 Nm. Now you have your frame assembled, carefully lift into a fully upright position, ensuring all wheels are firmly on the ground. Your SegriScreen MK3 is now fully assembled and ready for use. Multiple SegriScreens can be connected using the integrated pin and loop fittings in the vertical posts. For angled connections, simply remove one adjacent wheelbase. Be aware that if you have purchased an extension screen, that this will only come with one set of wheels required. To remove the PVC screen, insert a screwdriver between the snap fittings and gently press them apart while pulling the canvas away. For further assistance, visit our website or contact our customer service team. Thank you for choosing SegriScreen MK3.